Namaste and hello, this is your Sanskrit instructor welcoming you back into lesson number 166. In this lesson, we will learn about nouns with stem ending in dentals. So a final dental, all of the final dentals except when that dental is na, is changed to ta in the nominative singular and in the locative plural, and then that ta is softened to a da before the bhyam, pihi, and the bhyahas. At this point, you should be able to see is that anytime when you're seeing bhyam, pihi, or bhyaha, that letter is softened into the hard consonant is softened into the soft consonant. So, da in the nominative singular and the locative plural. So as you can see, sarit, river, well, that stays as sarit in the nominative singular. But let's look at the other two. So we have udbhid, plant, that gets changed to udbhit, but then it turns back into udbhid in the instrumental plural, and then it goes back to udbhitsu, the ta, in the locative plural, because according to the rules that cover nouns with stems ending in dentals, that's the way how it goes. That's the sandhi for that. And then we have samid is another example, so that means fuel. The samid, the dha is a dental, and then that turns into a ta in the nominative singular, and it also becomes a ta in the locative plural, to sabhitsu. But then that ta is reduced to samid pihi for the instrumental plural in this example, and then it also does that for bhyam and bhyaha case endings. And then remember here for instrumental singular, all what you're doing is you're adding a long a. So samidha, it changes, it stays as the same because it stays as the same. The sandhi rules that the consonant does not change when you're adding a vowel to it, because then in that case you don't have to worry about the word ending with a consonant. The purpose is to make sure that it's ending with an okay consonant, and once you have an I, it just stays the same. And for instrumental singular, the case ending is a long a for instrumental. So these are just some things to pay attention to. Again, like, we went over all of these sandhi rules already. We went over all of them, but we are just going into detail of them in these videos, but they're all reflecting those rules. So this is just a way to look at those rules and see the application of it and how they're being applied. So with that, this is your Sanskrit instructor signing off with a namaste.